back to Talks with Trey. Today we will be talking about the Keychron K2 V2. The Keychron K2 is a wireless mechanical keyboard. It does come with a cord, so if you want it to be plugged in or you don't want it to be plugged in, you're good. This works for Mac and Windows, and this is an incredible starter keyboard, or maybe you even have one and you're looking to upgrade. This keyboard only comes in around $80, so it's a great price for anybody, and you get a lot in the package. For starters, this is a 75% layout, so you have all the keys plus these extra little keys up here, and you have all of these. Sometimes keyboards don't have any of like the brightness and the volume, they'll just have the keys, but this one has everything and a couple extras. This also has 15 different RGB modes if you get the RGB version. If you don't, then you just have a white backlight that can be on or off, it doesn't matter. There's a little switch on the side that you can flip from Mac to Windows, so depending on what computer you use, this will be perfect for you. You can customize the keycaps. This one is hot swappable, so you can customize the switches. I think that if you're going to get a keyboard, get hot swappable, so down in the long run, you can customize it to exactly how you want it, because maybe this isn't exactly what you want. Maybe you want it a little more stocky, or you want it a little more tactile. You can do that with any other kind of switches. But I recommend getting the reds. This is what I have, or you could get the browns. They're a little mushier, but the reds are pretty nice. Keychron was the company that started on Kickstarter, and it was like the most funded keyboard on Kickstarter ever. So they've just been making more and more keyboards, and this is one of their best. I know lots of YouTubers who use this. I know lots of people who use this. So if you're looking for a keyboard, this is an incredible one to get. I definitely recommend this. You can get hot swappable, not hot swappable, RGB, reds, blues, browns. You can decide that, but my configuration I recommend is getting the hot swappable K2 V2 with RGB, and don't get the aluminum. It's more, and this is really sturdy. So if this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell. Thanks for watching.